Hello students, today I am going to tell you the solution of find error question for class 9th and 10th. In my previous lecture, I gave you this work as a homework. Today I am going to tell you the error. Hope you all have done it, but I am going to tell you the solution of this error. This para, where is error and how you can make them right. The first line was the whole word is facing. The spelling of whole is just wrong. We will use W-H-O-L-E. The whole word. This is the wrong spell, so the right spell is whole. Word is facing a big trouble these days. Day is wrong. We will use here days. These days. So this is the second error of this para. We will use days. The whole world is facing a big trouble these days. COVID-19. As we all know, the whole world is in a big trouble because of COVID-19. India is present. Presence is wrong here. We will use India is presenting. So, this is also a wrong word here. We will write here presenting. I have enough space, so I am going to write the right spell here. We will write here presenting. India is presenting. In para you will find that here I wrote presents, but this is the error and the right is presenting. India is presenting a leadership for hall. Once again, the spelling of hall is wrong. You all will write hall. A leadership for hall. The spelling of hall I wrote in the para H-O-L-E, but the right spell is hall. This is also an error in this para. Hall word, how to solved. I wrote here solve, but we can't use the second form after to. So this is also wrong. The correct word is solve. You all will write here solve. We will not use D in this spelling because of to. To solved. Solved is wrong. So you all will write here solve. This trouble or PM starts a theme or PM starts. Not starts is also wrong. We will use here started. Or PM starts is wrong. We will use here started a theme. Calls lockdown. India is the first country who started lockdown therapy for COVID-19. Every nation has started this. There is no error in this line. Once again, I am going to tell you the error in this para. First of all, the whole word is facing. The spelling of whole is wrong here. You all will write whole. So this is the first line, whole, and in second line, a big trouble these days. I wrote here day. You all will write days. So the second correction is day. And the third, COVID-19. India is present. I wrote here presented, but you all will write here presenting. COVID-19. India is presenting a leadership. Hope you all know that India is now in this pandemic playing the role of a leader for whole world. So In this line, I once again write word hall, so that is wrong. You all will write here hall. So the right spell hall is WHOLE hall. So in next line, how to solve? I wrote here solve, but after to we can't use the second form of a verb. We will write here solve. Solve this trouble or PM starts. Starts is wrong. We will write here started. So started. In that line you will write started cause lockdown. Cause lockdown. Now every nation is following the therapy of India. Now you all will try your level best to do these kind of question for class 9th and 10th, which will be helpful for all of you in upcoming exam, whether it is home exam or in board exam. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Be safe. Thank you.